car ya gyina ho Nissan Frontier 2005 model. Problem I me face CC say car no crank but not start. Na e be stress say mama ye mfanya edisua. Na car ne beje so no obi anya aba free. Enti ye kwaka ni. Okay, say me ba car yi mu a me pese me ye sure say bibia appear wo instrumental panel anim ni security light and a flash 11 kire say security no e adwuma me bi key no I won't say security light no and so na ke say I receive key no and a transponder no bibia security side the problem bi ani ho bibia appear kama I kire say kaka no e say ejeso enti no me cranken so a crank all right battery no na me fi say battery no crank no head anya papa by me the battery for so crank no ye kama bit and start it ma test ko ni ja no so igniter no eba kama se na bia ye kan shock no eba kama enti no me crank na se ne me fi kan no be ye nyina ye hu se car na age so but within short time e be say dum okay rpm na age so airport asadum don't need to say igniter any problem a fuel system sana me hunu nti me de machine si so no saa na e kan kasafa fuel pump ho nti IFA no e be say me call fuel pump side no enu ni fuel pump no ene da ha no the socket no before so be you know when who say we upulu o press so a o press so say na watwe into no me tester a be test oh maybe e na kura ma hu photo no mpam che o mo hwe yeah socket no 1 2 so can free her 1 2 3 no so say hona shit 1 2 3 4 5 pins 1 2 3 no so no hona shit 3 no yen say there wire oh grinding wire and we ignition first one no black and yellow no ignition and the aka no gauge we grinding na just say fuel pump no enya grinding o ha okay nti sisu kakra na hiti ene me babe ye no me bepe wire kakra de ahye ho na me de test photo na hwese betima start ya nti me de wire ahye baby a enya contact no na me de ababe ma grinding wire no wo abonten me de test nyese we ni say na wa wie o yes we ni say na wa wie test and me de test ti me de ahye socket ni mu na me de ababe ma grinding wire no e wo abonten ha nti me kokare ma ko start ya hwese beje so ana eni so abaka no okay wow I was for electricals component ni na automobile field ni na electricals very very difficult na edi adwen ohun ade akitua we nti say one fa wadwen amfa ho a obe test niema test at the end of the day na eye ho a wa kura all the fuel pump betum say utu socket no na say wa monitor ni ya all the fuel pump ebe de betum still ebe ma sa problem no enti ahwefo mesre say ade ya ye hye no so pa na contact electricals you will problem with electrical contact grinding and that power contact no contact no yeah any wo hu problem pa nti yeah adwuma ya ye ncheki ni ye pa sana na da bia nso me mama nyanti ase say wo check car fota most of the time no sɛ wo check car photo a ɛsɛ sɛ wodi kan de free nketuam na wo de akɔ nkesiem pamchaw mutie me ye ɛsɛ wo de free nketuam ansa na wo de akɔ nkesiem. First of all, nobody can check your fuses. Ni we mu by for to be wo ha ye confuse ho. So what you say? Aha. We na ekate no. Bit me ba say fuse. For line no and I really enye by to get it short no. Afa na akwakwa nante really ni we mu ya say ade a we no ma ntwa na say two tank na de a anka me check those things ni na ansa na makọ by so far as I ma twa which match socket no ho test say jaba and I jam man dey. You don't need to go through to that fuse and the release, no. So first of all, the socket, no. Now if anything, jaw so, that's all. Now blame for pump on and say the aka. LB Automobile, we give knowledge. I have four. But that's the so share video. So here, so when you are now, make I will say, aha, you check out one day, Automobile. Yedi dosuko ema wo hwe video ya yenyi hwe video ni wie no na wanya obibia na mesrɛ wo sɛ subscribe ina na wo share afi adoma na ɛwɔ hɔ na wohu no fa wo nsa boso adofo na wayi ni nyina medamase sɛ mahwe video LB Automobile we give knowledge.